Are your windows foggy between the glass panes? Are you catching a draft in the middle of your home on a windy day? Do you have those rooms that are just uncomfortable during the peak seasons here in Oklahoma? Hi, my name is Matt Lamont. I'm here at Red River Roofing, Siding, and Windows, and today I just really quickly want to cover builder grade windows. What is a builder grade window? A builder grade window is an inexpensive window that builders typically use to help save money. But because of the low quality materials that are used to make this window, they're not designed to last. And you run into common problems such as seal failure, hardware failure, and uncomfortable living spaces during the summer and winter months. If your windows have never been replaced in your home, you most likely have builder grade windows, and the health of your home is suffering as a result of it. Here at Red River, we have many different lines of windows that we can use to help boost that aesthetic appeal, create more comfort for your home, and lower your energy bills to help save you money. Give us a call for your free inspection at 405-330-0025. Ask for Matt.